If you're planning to sell and/or buy a home, one thing to consider is where home prices will do in the future and how that might affect your real estate goals. While you may have seen negative news over the past year about home prices, they're actually doing far better than expected and are rising across the country. And data is actually showing that home prices may keep appreciating. Hi, John West here from West Real Estate Group, where we love to answer your questions about buying, selling, and investing here in Idaho real estate. And in this video, I want to address the question of what the market expectations might look like in the next few years so you can make informed decisions about your housing goals. Pulsenomics polled over 100 economists, investment strategists, and housing market analysts in the last quarterly home price expectations survey, also referred to as HPEC. The result shows what panelists project will happen with home prices over the next 5 years. Here are those expert forecasts, which are actually saying home prices will go up every year through 2027. If you're someone who is worried about prices maybe falling because of the stories you've read online, here's the big takeaway. Even though home prices vary by local market, experts project prices will continue to rise across the country for 5 years at least to come. And these numbers indicate a return to more normal house price appreciations. Now, while the projected increase in 2024 isn't as large as it was in 2023, it's important to recognize home price appreciation is cumulative. In other words, if these experts are correct, after home value rises by 3.3% this year, it'll appreciate the next year by 2.17%. And this is a good example of why owning a home is a good choice that wins big over time. But what does this mean for you? Once you buy a home, prices appreciation rises in your home's value, and that grows your household wealth, which is something our team loves to focus on, which is helping build our clients' net worth. To see how a typical home value could change in the next few years using these expert projections from HPEC, check out this graph. In this example, let's say you bought a home for $400,000 in the beginning of this year. If you factor in the forecast from HPEC, you could potentially accumulate more than $71,000 in household wealth over the next 5 years. If you're thinking about whether buying a home is a good choice, remember how powerful it can be to grow your wealth in the long run. Here's the bottom line. According to the expert, home prices are expected to grow over the next 5 years at a more normal pace. Since we all have to, shelter needs, we either rent our space and/or pay the landlord's mortgage, or you can decide to buy your own home and start building your own equity and household wealth. The choice is yours, and we would love to help you achieve this goal if that's something you're interested in doing. Deciding to buy a home today can set you up for a long-term success as home values and your own net worth grow. Let's connect to start the home buying process today. Click the link below to book an appointment or call our team, start the conversation. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next video.